Do you also receive these annoying phishing link spams from hackers in your Discord server? And even get raided by them? Do you want to know how the big servers deal with them? Make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, do not click on any of these links. It can hack your device and the accounts inside of it. It could even get access to your webcam. So simply delete these links if you see them, or use clear chat command to clear multiple links. Second of all, go to members section on your PC Discord, then click unusual account activity. Here you will find all the accounts that Discord deems suspicious. These accounts are most likely hacked ones, and the owner has no control over it. You can ban them from your server, otherwise they will spam links. Thirdly, make level roles and only give certain roles the perms to send links and block the rest of the roles from sending links. You can use DynoBot for this. It's very trusty. Enable its all links in auto mod module. There you can whitelist the links that you want people to send, like my YouTube channel links or YouTube video links. You can also whitelist certain roles and channels. This way, you can keep your Discord server safe. I recommend you using more than 2 bots. You can use CarlBot and WickBot. After your server gets raided, you can use Security Actions feature and pause invites and DMs. When your server is getting raided, you can do damage control with this. Fourth thing is adding logs channels for different things. Like you can see, I've logs for joining members, bad words, bot alerts. I can see what I want to see without scrolling through the chats several times during an emergency. Fifth is adding a strong verification bot. The bot that I'm using is Double Counter, better than all the verification bots. That's because it can detect alt accounts. If you want to know how to set up this bot, I've already made a video on it. You can check it out if you want to. The link will be in the video's description. So yeah, if you love this tutorial video, hit that like and subscribe button so others will also know about this video. And join my Discord server for free decors and layouts.